Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I think it's March 25th, 26th. I don't know. But I'm gonna do a day in the life of moving during quarantine. So let's get it. I just put on like workout clothes, and I'm gonna go have breakfast, and then we're gonna head over to the apartment and like clean it all, like vacuum and like wipe everything down. This is my vitamin C gummy. Well, this one's Dylan's. So we're gonna go eat breakfast and get the day started. Spidey. Okay, I vlogged one clip of us cleaning, maybe two, and then I forgot. But now I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour. Go look out for that on my other video that I don't think, it's not gonna be in this one, but go look for it. All right, so just filmed a few TikToks, and now we're gonna head home and get some lunch. Oh, this is like really dark. And then head to Mimi's because she has stuff for us. We just set up the internet, and then we need to call about electricity and just set it up because she already has an account, the landlord lady. You have my keys? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys, we are back at it. We had lunch, and now we're heading to Mimi's. I got the tape, I got more coffee, and a box, so we're gonna go get stuff at Mimi's. All right, we made it to Mimi's. Now we need to FaceTime her and get the stuff. I couldn't really film because I was FaceTiming Mimi while we were doing it, but we got everything packed up. We got a rug that we're gonna try, and now we're gonna go see Matt and maybe see if he has a modem and a router. Hi guys, so I don't know when you're gonna see this. I feel like I've just been filming like a bunch of moving content. I don't know how I'm gonna divide it up quite yet. But it's like 6 o'clock at night, and I just decided I'm going to start packing. So I just put all of my like makeup, well, not all my makeup because I'm keeping some of it, not that I'm wearing makeup these days, but like I'm just gonna keep it here in case I need it. But like my palettes, and then all my tanner, all my hair stuff, all of my like bathroom stuff. Like all I really have is like toiletries and like my travel stuff, blow dryer. What else do I have in here? Miscellaneous like medicine. So this is kind of gonna be like bathroom stuff because we have like a big vanity thing in our bathroom that's gonna kind of be like my like little beauty makeup section place. What? So this is gonna go in the bathroom. So I'm going to tape this bad Larry up. Do I need anything else in here? Tylenol, just randomly thrown in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all my bags. Okay, so you can close this box up. And then I guess I'll do another small box. I don't really know what's going on. This is like crazy because we just got the okay today to move in, like start moving in like whenever we want now, because she's like, you guys are just at home, right? And we were like, yeah. And she's like, do you want to just move in since you're just chilling at home and not working? And we were like, I mean, if that's okay. So now it's like we can go, like it's ours. So that's crazy. I think I liked the fact that we were just moving in like on one day, because now it's like all scattered and that's a little chaotic for me, but it's okay. We're gonna get through it. I need a Sharpie. All right, so this is Also, please keep in mind I've never moved before in my life, so I don't know what I'm doing. So awesome. All right, I'm gonna do another box, probably of like office stuff maybe. I don't know how to do this. I think I have like a bunch of bags and I don't know what to put them in. There's all that stuff. I think I'm gonna put all my blankets in trash bags and not throw them away because that would be very bad. So much stuff. It seems like I don't have a lot and then I'm like, there's so much. All right, I'm gonna keep going. The motivation's like coming right now, so I need to do it. I need these. No! Still gonna take them.